Sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ba Sngi Bahalang Dhar, ulakin tu ya ke Voice of the People Party, bahkan kian nak Jied Paidbah Sekretariat ban Hinray ban IT da ke memorandum syu Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ban yakren. Udhar ulaong ba ke sorkar, ke pelelad ya baru ki sengsan perthai ban wanrah ikimat jongki, ba lada ke VPP ke kuat ya kendu ke sorkar ke pediang smobhai ki nonyalam jongka ban yakren ban Menteri Rangba. Ulapin pauru babun nakimat ba ka VPP kara kila don lupa ha ke jingakran ber ke jingpen kre jong ke sorkar shushu sembut menteri rangba ulaong bakam don kam ban khot iki paidbah bniah paidbah halor kimat kibala ban ai penbait lingba ke jingakran ula banjuru ba ki MLA bat MDC ki deban mi ikhman iki paidbah bat banra iki jingye jongki sha ke sorkar namar ke jingkhang jong ke sorkar ke pli arp saukenta na ke benta ke jingakran.
Okay, let us see, because me also see my saw from the media, they are going to march the secretariat on something, but actually, no need for them to march. They can come and submit a memorandum nicely to the chief minister, can have a dialogue and discuss. That usually how we run the governments. Obviously, if there is any public issues, any urgent issues from any political party has a right to meet the chief minister in a proper way, or the government. So they are most welcome if they come and place their agenda, place an issue, we'll discuss it. No issue on that.
Do you see any political agenda in the march?
No, I have seen a few agendas, but they will be explain to what is the meaning. I saw the agenda is few of them. It's mostly government has been already under discussion, under process. So the agenda is more this normal agenda only. So let's see when they come. Maybe they want to meet CM or something, so CM will address nicely, I think. But they are most welcome if they come in the form of 3, 4, 5 leaders. Usually what we have, if any protester, anybody come, we always welcome them for talks, and surely that day when they come, so let's handle it. So we are open to everybody, any political party, no issue on that, because we are here to serve the people, we are here to serve the state nicely. Yes, if there is any lapses here and there is a place to talk, and they are most welcome for talk, anybody.
Will you formally invite them?
No, that let CM reply, not me, because I think they want to meet CM only. And obviously the government is always open door for everybody to talk, for talks. And if there is any issue, let us solve the issue collectively for the people of the state. Sometimes you see, if you just keep playing politics every now and then 24 hours, we are here to serve the people. Suppose if any PT issue and we have to call public to match to the secretary, what are the point public elect us? We have been elected by people to represent for that issue. And if small issue and we call people, come let us match to the secretary, this is not the way. All the MLAs, the MDCs, the people leaders, they have the right to meet the chief minister and the government nicely in such a manner. And the door is open for them 24 hours. Suppose if any issue in my constituency, I have to call my people to accompany me. I'm their leaders, I'm their MLA. It's my duty to meet the government to discuss that issue respectively for whatever constituency. So I have seen it's a practice from the past also. If there is any issue, maybe the particular MLA or the particular political party, they always meet with the leaders, with the government. And that's how it works in the government.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha upod usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya Kaei ka them artli ki Jylla ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin bniah ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ka Khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santli ki karkhana red category ka jo ka leer ka baya bentalang hinray ka jingmyntoi ka ya pher de nakata ka daw kini artli ki Jylla Mynta kis dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan